Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to allow private servers in your Roblox game. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, head over to the Roblox website and click on Create from the top navigation bar. From the left-hand side, click on Creations and wait for a bit. Here, you'll see a list of all the Roblox games you've created. Before continuing, make sure your game is already published to Roblox. Once that's done, go ahead and select the game you want to enable private servers for. After selecting the game, scroll all the way down in the left-hand menu until you see Audience, then click on Access Settings. Now, scroll down to the bottom of this page and look for Additional Settings. Here, you'll see an option called Allow Private Servers. Simply toggle this option on. Right below that, you can choose whether private servers should be free or require Robux. If you want players to create private servers for free, just leave it set to free. If you want to charge Robux, enable the Requires Robux option, enter the price you want to set, and then click Save Changes. Once everything is saved, head back to the Roblox website and wait until it loads. After that, click on your profile icon in the top right-hand corner. From there, click on Creations again and select your game from the list. After opening your game's page, click on the Servers tab. You should now see the option to create private server. At this point, players can also create their own private service. You can give the server a name and click Buy Now. If you set the server as free, it won't cost any Robux. And that's it. So that's basically how you can allow private servers in your Roblox game. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.